Your ID automatically takes care of a good climate in the interior. But of course you can also adjust the settings manually via the climate menu. For example, you can adjust the ventilation and temperature by tapping or via the slider. And here you can return to auto mode. The steering wheel heating and seat heating can also be controlled via the infotainment system. Or you can adjust the seat heating by tapping here with 2 fingers. In addition to the classic view, you can also switch to the smart climate view. This quite simply does exactly what you ask it to, like warm your hands, for example.
Volkswagen.